Happy horse. I bet Shiny is gonna. Yeah, for real, dude.
Hello, Purple Clouds! We do my cool horse skills. What the Sigma? So I'm gonna go. I hope I don't fall.
Bro, how did you do that? Hop, 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 hop. Yay! I didn't fall. Let's go. Oh, dang it, I fell again. Hi. Hi. How do I literally get up? Oh, dang it. Oh, I got an idea. Alright, sure. Come on. Go, pony. Go, horse, go. Bruh. Finally, dude. What in the actual Sigma? Bro, Hopper sucks. For real, for real, for real. Eee, bro, fell off. See? Bro is too sure that he or whatever. Oh, what the horse? Oh my god, I'm this. No, alright, I do not think that's gonna work. Is he stupid or something? Bro, what? How is he literally doing that? Finally, dude. This one.
Wow, great job. Yeah.
I'm gonna go too.